Hi, my name is Blair Quarry. As an office administrator, you're no stranger to the demands of various stakeholders, including employees, managers, and external parties. Effectively managing your time and prioritizing your tasks while handling unexpected interruptions or urgent matters can be a constant struggle, especially when adding the responsibility of managing IT. If you deal with recurring technical issues that interrupt your workflow or are the main point of contact for your organization's technical issues, contact EAG. Our IT outsourcing team implements best-in-class IT solutions, solves IT issues quickly, and coordinates with external vendors and other team members so that you can stay organized and productive.